Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ulul Ilmi, and I want to explain about digital literacy. First of all, we need to know the meaning of digital literacy. According to the American Library Association, digital literacy means the ability to use information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, communicate information requiring both cognitive and technical skill. In other words, digital literacy is the ability to use the technology to find and new knowledge and ability to use the information. In the context of everyday life, digital literacy is a person's ability to use digital devices such as mobile phone and laptops or computers and use digital application to make videos, write and draw and implement digital security measure against themselves. During the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, digital literacy is very developed in society, growing fast in the society. This is evidenced by the increasing number of users of electronic products such as mobile phone and laptops. One of the impacts of increasing digital literacy in the midst of society that we can observe directly is in the field of education and trade. In the trade sector, we see an increasing in e-commerce, be it from e-commerce service provides such as Shopee, Amazon, Alibaba, Tokopedia, or from users of e-commerce service themselves. When we search in the internet, the total of users e-commerce in Indonesia, we will find that the total of e-commerce users in Indonesia are increased, and the total is 70% of Indonesian population for 277 million people are using e-commerce. In the education context, digital literacy means the use of digital technology in education. In the application of digital literacy in academic field, students not only have to have the ability to understand ideas when reading from books and write, but in the application of digital literacy in the academic field, students can understand new ideas and knowledge confide in an interactive way, visual in the form of videos or image from various platforms on internet. An example of digital literacy uh, implication of implementation of digital literacy in academic field is the use of various platforms in the internet to educate students. For example, we can use YouTube to be one of the learning media that used by the students. During the pandemic, the role of digital literacy in education is very important in supporting online learning activities. Example of digital literacy in online learning include the use of online media in learning process, such as we use Zoom and WhatsApp, Google Classroom, and so on. Digital literacy is very important in the era of globalization because people who are literalized with the digital literacy will have the ability to take advantage of technology to help in everyday life. By the digital literacy, we also can fortifying ourselves from all of hoax information, because we have enough knowledge to sorting the information. We can sort the bad information and good information, or the right information and the hoax information. And the last, digital literacy can make easier in communication process with the help of application like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram. We can easily establish communication with others. Alright everyone, that is all my presentation about the digital literacy. I hope this presentation can useful and can increase your knowledge about digital literacy. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.